the beginning, humans lived in caves. Life was simple. They hunted animals and ate raw meat just to survive. There was no cooking, no flavor, just survival. Then one day they discovered fire. That moment changed everything. For the first time, people started cooking their food. The meat became softer, tastier, and easier to eat. That was the start of real cooking. As time passed, many civilizations learned new ways to cook. The Egyptians, the Romans, the Persians, the Greeks, and the Arabs. Meat became more than food. Across the world, particularly in Indian cooking, methods like the charcoal-fired handi proved that slow, gentle heat was superior to the quick, harsh temperatures of oil frying. But oil adds unhealthy fats and toxins. Then came the fried chicken era, when fast food took over and everything was dipped, crusted, and deep fried. A time of quick meals, but not always healthy ones. Then came the American time. Cowboys cooking steaks on open fire, a new way of enjoying meat with passion and pride. Fire-grilled flavor may be delicious, but it's not always healthy. And now the journey of flavor continues. Welcome to the Carnivore, the first baked meat concept of its kind. We don't deep fry, no charcoal fry, no fire grill. We bake slow and healthy homemade spices. It's the perfect mix of taste and health. This is the Carnivore, the evolution of flavor.